Hey there, it's Tuesday, day 27. I'm going to go ahead and attach your first assignment for this week on a Tuesday instead of a Wednesday because some people were very excited to get it over with. So, Monday, day 26, we had a live math class. We talked about strategies for finding area. You're going to need to watch that video first before you complete this assignment, or you're going to have to fix your mistakes. So if you start area questions and you have something wrong, I'm going to go ahead and grade it like you have it wrong. I'm going to send it back to you, but you can fix what you miss, and then I'll change your grade to the better grade. So it is day 27, April 28th. You'll click the day 27 math assignment. There'll be a video attached here of the live math. There'll be this video attached for you to view first. A lot of people are starting the assignment first before they watch this video. This video explains how to do each question so you have less problems with the assignment. Open the assignment. It is Google Slides. You're doing a lot better with Google Slides now that you know to double click. So on this first question, remember we do multiply to find the area of a rectangle or square. We multiply length times width. So we're not adding to find area. We add to find perimeter. So to find the area of this rectangle, 7 times 3. Yellow rectangle, 9 times 4. Pink rectangle, 8 times 4. And I don't expect every single person to have memorized their multiplication. You probably will need paper. So that's how you do slide 1. Slide 2, there'll be some examples of this on the live math, but you'll need to, we don't have a formula to find the area of this kind of polygon. What we have to do is split this polygon into 2 rectangles. We're going to find area for rectangle number 1, area for rectangle number 2, and then we'll add them together. So you could split it right here. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a line, and you can create a line too. You could split it right here. See that? And then I can move that if I want to. I can delete it if I want to. That's the line tool. So you could split it right here, and you could split it right here. So if you split it here, you've got rectangle A, rectangle B. Rectangle A, we've got this long side that's 6, and this side that's 4. 6 times 4. We would disregard this length. We would take this long side 9 and this side 3. 9 times 3. So you take 9 times 4, write that down. I could even create a text box. Well, you know what? I don't even have to. If you double click and you accidentally delete this text box, click, I could say 6 times 4 equals, and then that would be rectangle A. Rectangle B would be 9 times 3. I would find those two, then I'd add them together for total area. You could also split this polygon here. And in this case, you'd have 9 times 4 and then 5 times 3. So it depends on where you split it, what your multiplying is going to look like. So I encourage you to use that line tool. If you accidentally erase, click, and that box is not there, you can take this and draw you a box to type in. You can make that text smaller or bigger here. Okay, so that's how you find the area there. Here, we have a bedroom that is a rectangle, and it's 9 feet long and 8 feet wide. So 9 times 8. You may have to draw that out. Which one of these is 9 times 8? 4. Slide 4 is the same as slide 2. You cannot say 3 times 10 and get this, because we have this little piece that's been cut out. Use your line tool. You can separate it here. If you separated it here, you would have a 4. This line right here would be 4 because of 1 plus 3. So this would be 4 times 5. That'd be rectangle A. And then the rectangle B would be, if this whole thing is 10 minus the 5, this would be 5 times 3. It might be better to split it right here. And you have a 5 times 1. And then a 3 take away 1. And a 2 times 10. And add those together. Okay. And then 5. We're going to do some problems like this on the live math. Make myself a little smaller here. Here, I'll just move me out of the way. Okay, put me up here. Mr. Lopez is putting tiles on the floor of his kitchen. Each unit square is 1 square foot. Which equations can Mr. Lopez use to find the area? So, to find the area, we can count up all the squares and have square units. It's important that on slide 2, whatever you decide is your answer, you have square inches. And on slide 4, you have square feet. That would be your unit, because area is kind of like counting up all the squares in the middle. Perimeter is like a fence on the outside. Area is all the squares in the middle. So you could say 8, 8, 8, and 8, all those together. Or you could do like an array and do 8 times 4. And so you want to pick 3 different equations that could be used to find the area. I hope that helps. Definitely watch the live math video. And then if you still miss some problems, I'll send you a message. It'll be over here on the right side if I type a message to you about your math. So good luck.